एनएलपी लोगों ने शायद नाम भी नहीं सुना और सुना भी होगा तो वो भी आज में फंस जाते होंगे.
NLP stands for Neuro Linguistic Programming.
They are following the principles of Bhagavad Gita. NLP also would have evolved from Bhagavad Gita only because the principles that are laid here are the actual way we have to live our life. I had sleepless nights. I was a victim of office politics. I could not survive there. That gave me anxiety, that gave me stress, that gave me depression. 6 years I was in trauma.
पर आज की डेट में मैम isn't everybody is going through the same trauma or stress?
There is so much of conflict at workplace. Scarcity kind of mindset. लोग एक दूसरे को गिरा के ऊपर जाना चाहते हैं, which is what the corporate world is like.
Sometimes people are so unaware of maybe so caught up कि लाइफ बहुत फास्ट हो गई है ना कि आप
True.
लगे तो आपको पता नहीं लगता.
Say that there are only 3 steps to transformation. The first is awareness. The second point you already said, that is acceptance. And the third step is taking action.
आपको ऐसा लगता है कि 90% लोग हमेशा ही ऐसा प्लंज अपनी लाइफ में तभी लेते हैं जब वो एग्जॉस्ट हो जाते हैं rather than कि मैं खुद से एक लीप ऑफ फेथ लेके इस चीज़ को ट्राई करूँ. So how do we change that mindset?
If your mind is caught up with the pattern of failure, whether you move from job A to job B to job C, you will see the same pattern. Don't switch jobs. Notice what is it in you that needs to change. Once you change that, you can become a king in this place only.
So somebody is listening to this podcast और उनको अपना लाइफ का एक आउटलुक ही चेंज करना है, पर्सपेक्टिव ही चेंज करना है. तो what are the few things, small baby steps they can take and they can make a difference in their own life? So very warm welcome to the show, Achana.
Thank you, Eddie.
And I'm very honored and I'm very excited about talking to you today, just because NLP लोगों ने शायद नाम भी नहीं सुना और सुना भी होगा तो शायद वो भी आज में फंस जाते होंगे. Neuro Linguistic Programming, right? And it's a niche which you're working into, right? So before we go there, like, let's rewind the entire thing, okay? What I've read about you, to be very honest, that you have been doing incredibly well, right, in the corporate world and businesses and everything, right? So suddenly, what made you focus towards inner growth and NLP in particular?
A very good question, Adi. I started my career when I was 19 years old, soon after college. And ever since I have just been working with corporates. And I have total of 29 years of work experience. Out of that, 19 years was with corporates.
Okay.
For about 6 years, towards my last stint, I fortunately or unfortunately, I worked in some organizations where I had sleepless nights.
All right.
I was a victim of office politics. I could not survive there, by the kind of environment it was. So unfortunate that time because that gave me anxiety, that gave me stress, that gave me depression. And 6 years I was in trauma myself. Fortunately, why I say, because अगर वो नहीं होता तो आज मैं यहाँ नहीं होती. So it was unfortunate then, which led to being fortunate. And when I realized that, this trauma, this helplessness, this, stress and anxiety, which caused me thyroid, which caused me insomnia. And that was the tipping point when I bid goodbye to the corporate world because I could not handle it. And when I stopped, working, that is the time when I started introspecting that, Achla, you made only for a 9 to 5 job. And when this question stuck, that is the time I started to explore. And that is how NLP came to me. So I think I didn't go to NLP, that this profession chose me.
All right. That's a very good
So,
thing.
yeah.
So I'm like, no, ma'am, you said like, there's so much of stress, struggle, and then letting go of corporate after 19 years, and then it's good 10 years now into NLP practicing.
Right.
So I know tipping point आपने मुझे बता दिया, right? पर आज की डेट में मैम isn't everybody is going through the same trauma or stress, right?
Absolutely. So that's the reason why now I train corporate professionals.
All right. Okay.
So there is so much of conflict at workplace. The mindset is very scarcity kind of mindset. लोग एक दूसरे को गिरा के ऊपर जाना चाहते हैं, which is what the corporate world is like,
Yeah, yeah.
right? And जो उसमें वो बोलते हैं ना कि शाणे होते हैं, वो लोग तो ऊपर पहुंच जाते हैं, और जो बेचारे दब्बू होते हैं वो काम करते रहते हैं, but they're never able to reach, at the top.
Yeah.
So my trainings are what help them identify their own patterns. कि यार मैं काम तो कर रहा हूँ सुबह से शाम तक, लेकिन मुझे प्रमोशन क्यों नहीं मिल रहा? जब अप्रेजल की बारी आती है तो मेरे को ही 2% क्यों मिलता है, और जो बंदा काम नहीं करता उसको तो 10% मिलता है, ऐसे क्यों? सो अभी तक उनको ना ये समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था, उनको यही लगता था कि शायद मेरी किस्मत खराब है, या शायद मेरे में ही कोई गड़बड़ है. बट एक्चुअली पीपल आर ऑल गुड. इट इज़ हाउ देयर कंडीशनिंग इज, जिसकी वजह से उनको यही यकीन होता रहता है कि कुछ नहीं हो सकता, आई एम हेल्पलेस, और यही मेरा ज़िंदगी आगे भी होगी. बट नो, when you learn to become aware of your own self, that is where transformation happens. So the first step is awareness.
Awareness. I agree with you, ma'am. I'm like most of the people, मतलब just not corporate, हम अपनी जिंदगी में बहुत लाइफ बस ऐसे जीते चले जाते हैं. We're not even sure aware about our surroundings, कि हमारे आसपास क्या है.
True.
मतलब अगर आप sometimes people are so unaware of, maybe so caught up कि लाइफ बहुत फास्ट हो गई है ना, कि आप
True.
लगे हो तो आपको पता ही नहीं लगता. तो आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू सेइंग, बट यू नो मैम, तो बहुत सारी स्टोरीज ऐसी होती हैं कि जिसके बारे में ना लोग बात नहीं करते, बट वो सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, जिस बारे में आपने मतलब स्टार्टिंग में ही आपने बता दिया कि आई वेंट थ्रू डिप्रेशन, स्ट्रेस एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड आई थिंक इट्स वेरी, आई थिंक आपने जो अवेयरनेस तो मुझे बोला, आई थिंक एक्सेप्टेंस,
Absolutely.
राइट? यू नीड टू एक्सेप्ट दैट देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम.
So you have touched, the process of transformation.
ओके.
And I always say that there are only 3 steps to transformation. The first is awareness. The second point you already said, that is acceptance. And the third step is taking action. So once you are aware and once you acknowledge कि हाँ बस problem है, then you just need to take action, and I can guarantee that your life will definitely change.
बट आई एग्री विद यू मैम, बट जैसे आपने भी बोला कि आप एग्जॉस्ट हो गए थे और आप बर्न आउट हो गए थे, राइट? और मे बी कॉर्पोरेट पॉलिटिक्स, वट एवर, जो भी XYZ रीजन था बैक देन. पर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि 90% लोग हमेशा ऐसा प्लंज अपनी लाइफ में तभी लेते हैं जब वो एग्जॉस्ट हो जाते हैं, रादर देन कि मैं खुद से एक लीप ऑफ फेथ लेके इस चीज़ को ट्राई करूँ. सो हाउ डू यू चेंज दैट माइंड सेट?
So maybe people are not even aware कि नॉर्मली लोग क्या सोचते हैं कि मेरे को जॉब में सक्सेस नहीं मिल रहा तो मुझे बिजनेस कर लेना चाहिए. बट देर इज समथिंग विच इज कॉल्ड अ पैटर्न. इफ योर माइंड इज caught up with a pattern of failure, whether you move from job A to job B to job C, you will see the same pattern. If you think that, okay, I was not good in a job and I can get into business, that pattern will continue.
Of course.
Right? So I always tell this to my corporate clients, that don't switch jobs. Notice what is it in you that needs to change. Once you change that, you can become a king in this place only. Right? So you don't need to change the jobs. You need to change something within. If we take the same scenario in personal lives, in relationships as well, today you will see a lot of people are, changing partners, thinking that this partner is not right, let me get into another one. So that's how they are just changing, partners or relations. Again, I say the same thing to them, that, look within. What is it in you that is common between all these people? Right? तो आप ही एक कॉमन फैक्टर हो ना, विच मीन्स कि आपके अंदर ही कुछ एक चीज़ है जो इस तरह के लोगों को अट्रैक्ट कर रही है. अदरवाइज कितनी 200 करोड़ की पॉपुलेशन है,
150 plus.
राइट? 150 million plus. Why only you are getting these kind of people? So which means that unconsciously you are inviting them to be in your surroundings.
करेक्ट. बट मैम, जैसे क्या होता है ना, आपने जैसे बोला पैटर्न रिकग्नाइज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है ना. आजकल सब लोग इन चीज़ों पे बहुत एकदम ऐसे ज्ञान दे देते हैं. सो प्लीज डोंट माइंड ऑन यूजिंग दिस वर्ड, बट लोग बड़ा खुले में ज्ञान दे देते हैं कि यार पैटर्न है, पैटर्न रिकग्नाइज करो, पैटर्न रिकग्नाइज करो. और वो पैटर्न कैसे रिकग्नाइज करें? मतलब आपको पता चलो, आप अवेयर भी हो, आपको एक्सेप्टेंस भी है पर एक्शन नहीं है, एक तो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम तो एक्शन नहीं है सारी
Absolutely.
कहानी, ठीक है। बट देन समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि आपको वो पैटर्न दिखते भी नहीं है, और दिखते तो आप उसको प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करते हो। सो हाउ डू यू, मतलब एक बोलते हैं लुक विद इन, बट व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप? हमने अवेयर हो गया, ये हो गया, चाहिए तो बड़े बड़े टर्म्स आपने मुझे बता दिए, बट कैसे, हाउ डू यू लुक विद इन, मतलब व्हाट इज द बेसिक स्टेप? मतलब एक आदमी को अपना लाइफ का रूटीन को, लेट्स से समबडी इज लिसनिंग टू दिस पॉडकास्ट, और उनको अपना लाइफ का एक आउटलुक ही चेंज करना है, पर्सपेक्टिव ही चेंज करना है, तो व्हाट आर द फ्यू थिंग्स, स्मॉल बेबी स्टेप्स दे कैन टेक एंड दे कैन make a difference in their own life?
See, a very simple litmus test is that if you are doing everything that is needed to be done, but still you are stuck, right?
Correct.
It means it is not in your hands. Now, a beautiful thing, and this is for all the audience and for you too, that how do you recognize a pattern?
Correct.
So what a pattern is, anything that is happening repeatedly is a pattern. ठीक है? अब let's take a very simple example of trust. If somebody has broken your trust the first time, वो उनकी गलती है, ठीक है? सेकेंड टाइम भी अगर उन्होंने आपका ट्रस्ट ब्रेक किया, चलो फिर भी उनकी गलती है, आप ब्लेम कर लो उनको। लेकिन थर्ड टाइम भी अगर उन्होंने आपको ट्रस्ट ब्रेक किया, तब वो आपकी गलती है।
Correct.
वाई? बिकॉज वो बंदा कंसिस्टेंट है लेकिन आपको दिख ही नहीं रहा, राइट? सो ये वाले फॉर्मूला को आप कहीं पे भी एक्सट्रापोलेट कर लो। सो इफ इट इज in your personal space, it is in your corporate space, if the same pattern is repeating, it means that now you have to start to see it from another lens. To answer to your question कि हम अवेयर नहीं होते और हमें एक्नॉलेजमेंट नहीं होती, वो इसलिए नहीं होती क्योंकि हम लोग ना रियलिटी नहीं देखते। हम लोग अपनी जो हमें रियलिटी लगती है ना, हम वो देखते हैं। सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन दैट एडी व्हेन यू लुक एट मी व्हाट डू यू नोटिस, राइट? And you will say, oh, you're looking lovely, you are confident, right? Now if there are 10 people here, they might have a different opinion.
Correct.
They might think that you are snobbish. They might think that, oh, you are very generous. So the point is that 10 people will have 10 different perspectives. But if you say that, Achla, when I look at you, I see that you are wearing a black sari which has got multicolor, and you are wearing a bangle, you're wearing a watch. Nobody can challenge this.
Correct.
Right? This is called an objective reality. तो जब हम लोग इमोशनली हर चीज़ देखते हैं ना, तो हम लोग अपने नज़रिए से ही देखते हैं, हमें एक्चुअल रियलिटी नहीं दिखती। जो हमारी रियलिटी है वो ही दिखती है, एंड दैट इज़ हाउ वी आर नॉट एबल टू डीकोड एनी पैटर्न। वो आपके सामने ही होता है लेकिन आपको पता ही नहीं चलता।
मतलब आपने बहुत, you said it very beautifully. Although I absolutely agree, you look beautiful and you look very gracious, but at the same time, I would also say that you're absolutely right. कि मैं अगर objectively सोचूंगा तो मैं बोलूँगा कि black saree, rainbow color, whatever, right? ये detailing है, attention to details,
Exactly.
right? But then life is passing at such a fast pace, right?
ट्रू।
Not every time, not मतलब consciously, subconsciously, of course आपको अपने आप को consciously train करना पड़ेगा to acknowledge that. I understand that, but कहीं ना कहीं बहुत जल्दी निकल जाता है ना, मतलब एकदम ही।
देखो, जो आपका पॉइंट है ना वो बिल्कुल सही है। हमने 18-19 साल स्कूल में, कॉलेज में बिताए, ठीक है? किसी स्कूल कॉलेज में, चाहे आप इंडिया ले लो, चाहे आप जापान ले लो, चाहे चाइना ले लो, चाहे यूएस, हार्वर्ड, एनीवेयर यू टेक, हैज एनी स्कूल और एनी कॉलेज टॉट यू हाउ टू सी थिंग्स ऑब्जेक्टिवली, हाउ टू यूज योर लॉजिकल माइंड? सो हमने जो स्कूल में सीखा, कॉलेज में सीखा, उसके बाद सब रैट रेस में चले गए कि चलो जैसे कॉलेज खत्म होता है वी हैव टू स्टार्ट अर्निंग। आई वाज आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ दैट। सो द पॉइंट इज दैट व्हेन यू आर जस्ट रनिंग, you will not have any time to introspect that which race am I running. मैं ये भाग तो रहा हूँ लेकिन what do I want out of it?
Right.
और जब ये क्वेश्चन आता है ना, तो लोगों की ना एक जाग खुल जाती है, और क्योंकि उनके पास आंसर नहीं होता, वो वापस उस नींद में चले जाते हैं। बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी हार्ड क्वेश्चन।
Correct.
द बिगर प्रॉब्लम इज दैट दे डोंट नो कि अगर ये क्वेश्चन उन्होंने पूछ भी लिया खुद से, तो इसका आंसर कहाँ मिलेगा? So that's why I said that when I introspected, it took me about 3 to 4 years to introspect within that what are my qualities. The first thing that came to me, I'm not good in anything. And I'm sure that all the people who are listening, watching this podcast, अगर वो खुद से पूछेंगे कि उनमें अच्छाई क्या है, तो वो बोलते हैं कि कुछ भी नहीं है. Then I tell them, my clients, that I can tell you 10 qualities of yours just in 10 minutes of meeting you. And then I give it to them, then they're like, oh yeah, ये भी है, ये भी है, ये भी है. So the point is कि हम लोगों को ना हमने स्कूल कॉलेज में कभी पढ़ा, ना हमारे पेरेंट्स ने कभी बताया, ना हमारे टीचर्स ने बताया. It's not that it's their fault because even they didn't know. So awareness is missing, so that's why I do such podcast and on social media to let people know that, boss, there is a big part of your mind which is untapped, and that is your subconscious mind. So school colleges mein we have been trained only to focus on 8 to 10 percentage of the mind, that is the logical or the conscious mind. The balance 93-94% is your emotional mind, your subconscious, and that is running the show.
I know. I absolutely agree. I think back then maybe it was too much very by the book wala system, like in school days and colleges. In fact, in my school days also maybe it was like the same way. But now I think, don't you think like the society has changed a bit? People are still having stress. स्कूलों में बहुत इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस की बात होनी शुरू हो गई है आजकल. आपको अवेयरनेस, पुटिंग योर राइट्स फर्स्ट एंड बीइंग अवेयर ऑफ सराउंडिंग्स, ये सब चीज़ें हो गई हैं, लोग कर रहे हैं, मतलब मेरे को लगता है. बट देन अभी भी मैम आई फील लाइक ये सब होने के बाद भी, इतनी अवेयरनेस होने के बाद भी, पर वो पैटर्न वही चल रहा है लोगों का.
देखो, वेरी सिंपल, नो, आप कितनी भी बुक्स पढ़ लो स्विमिंग के ऊपर, बट जब तक आप स्विमिंग पूल में नहीं जाओगे, आप हाथ नहीं चलाओगे, यू कैन नॉट बिकम अ स्विमर.
करेक्ट.
Right? You can write an encyclopedia on swimming, but you cannot become a swimmer. So what you're saying is correct कि awareness है, सब कुछ है, but how? So NLP is everything about how. How can I reach from point A to point B? So my clients are mostly those people who are the how kind of people. They say that Achla, I'm here and I want to be here. So tell me how. So the how is the answers that I help them to identify and then walk through. No gyan. So no gyan. I'm anti gyan.
I'm like honestly, मतलब आप बोल रहे हो नो ज्ञान, but I think most of this thing is actually listening, right? है ना, कि ज्ञान तो देना पड़ेगा ही आपको थोड़ा बहुत तो.
देखो, अगर 20% ज्ञान होता है तो समझ में आता है, because you need to tell what you are going in for. But अगर 100% ज्ञान हो तो where is the action?
Correct.
So coming to the third point, which is action, वो तो बिना उसके तो कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता.
But then, ma'am, of course, I'm like, we'll talk more about NLP and I have more questions, of course. But I also want to understand that when we spoke about ki you jumped corporate ladders and and moved into a own self-made career and everything, where you're educating people, training, creating awareness and everything. So was there, who was your anchor? Family में कोई था या ये सेल्फ ही आपने अपने आप को इंट्रोस्पेक्ट किया, उसी से हो गया काम? बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स लीविंग अ जॉब आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स, राइट, इट्स अ डिफिकल्ट, इट्स अ बिग प्लंज, इट्स अ बिग रिस्क आल्सो, राइट? तो आपका क्या एंकर था और क्या मतलब आपके लिए क्या गाइडिंग फैक्टर था?
So my anchor was this inner voice from within, which was saying that Achla, do it. Now the study that I had done, it was not very common. अब दोबारा try करना था. So this inner voice was saying, Achla, go for it, go for it. Then there is like a huge financial implication. Now I had to test out another mentor. So of course I couldn't now ask for money at home. So what I did was I had to pay like a huge amount, and 2 days only were remaining, and I didn't have the money with me. So what I did was I quietly took my one diamond ring and one diamond earring, and I went to the goldsmith. वो देके
You actually pawned it?
I just pawned it.
Okay, wow.
ठीक है, I pawned it and I got the money, and the next day I gave the fees. When I got the money and I sat in my car and I looked in the rear view mirror and I had tears in my eyes. And that tears, as I'm telling you, I'm still recalling that moment. And that was the time I had made a promise to myself that Achla, this is not going to go waste. So, when I look at people today, they say that, मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, मेरे husband नहीं दे रहे, but मुझे करना है. So I tell them that, if you want to give excuses, you can give excuses for the whole life, but time will just go. And then I tell them my story. And I think back then, when I had pawned my jewelry, I didn't know that, it would be like a motivational story for all the people who are stuck in taking action. So I always say that if I could do it, then what stops you to do it? It's only that, are you aligned with your actions? अगर कोई आपके ऊपर भरोसा नहीं कर रहा, कम से कम आप तो खुद अपने ऊपर भरोसा करो. And that is what is missing, and that is, I think, one of the reasons why people are suffering today, because they don't believe in themselves.
Like, of course, power, self-belief, though, of course, nobody can deny it, right? I'm like, I totally agree. I'm like, of course, it was an emotional moment for you. But I'm very curious to ask this, right? Okay, so you said you had a bad experience with the first mentor, right? Maybe it didn't pan out the way you expected it. And the second mentor के साथ आपने ये जो transaction किया है. So how did it turn out, right? Of course, you said 5 mentors, so I thought maybe.
Yeah, so I have learned from 5 different mentors, um, and the one from where I started, after that there was no looking back. So then I added on to my learnings. I'm a micro muscle body language expert, I'm a hypnotherapist, I'm a spiral somatics master practitioner, I'm a reiki healer, I'm a pranic healer. So I've learned all of these, but I use all of them in my trainings as the mindset coach and NLP trainer. So because there is no end to learning, so I just added all of that, amalgamated, and the result is that all my clients are super happy. I mean, touchwood, I am yet to come across a client who has not gone back transformed, whether it is OCD, whether it is a trauma, whether it is a suicidal tendency, whether it is a relationship breakdown, whether it is not getting promoted, whether it is business not growing, any aspect I have been working on, and the results are super beautiful. It's almost like 100%.
So when you're coaching people, right? You meet people from different facets of life, right? I mean, they're going through different struggles. Everybody has, I think, struggles सबके same ही है, but different तरीके से हैं. मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है. तो घूम फिर के struggle तो सारे वही हैं, जो आपने मुझे अभी अपने quote किया. But then, do you see, of course, you see a pattern and commonality in everything. कभी ऐसा आपको लगता है कि people are scared to reach out?
That's one biggest roadblock, because people are asking the question in their head, getting the answers in their head, and they are stuck in that loop. So neither they know that there is somebody who can help them, or if they go to somebody, किसी मामा ने किसी चाचा ने बता दिया तो वहाँ चले गए. It doesn't work that way.
Correct.
So if you have to learn engineering, you will go to an engineering school, right? You can't go to a law school and expect to become an engineer, right? So if there is a problem, if there is stress, you need to understand that how you can overcome that. People come to me when they reach the suicidal stage, and from there it takes like 2 to 3 months to reverse that. So I reverse engineering, to actually identify that, hey, it was just a job. And कहीं दूर नहीं जाते. My latest example, a senior gazetted officer, right? बाहर से तो देखने में लगेगा कि आपकी सरकारी नौकरी है, तो आपको क्या दुख है. But a person getting into depression because of a sarkari naukri, can you imagine? But that is real for him.
Yeah. So I mean, every job has their own challenges. Of course, there's no denying that. Yeah.
Actually, see, you said the word struggle. If you look at this word, this is again a perception. A struggle is only a situation which I'm not able to handle. That becomes struggle.
Rightly said. Yeah.
Right. So every problem or every struggle is just a situation. if you start to observe it, that okay, what does it want? What do I need to do to overcome this? That's it. There is no problem, there is no struggle, there is no suffering.
But isn't it often easier said than done, right?
No, it's very easy provided you know how to do it. So that's why I say that, I'm not giving any gyan, I don't give any motivation ki ye karo, aise karo. I tell you the path, that okay, walk this path and then you will do it.
And then, sorry, matlab, I wanted to talk about this, but yeah, for lack of better words, no, not for lack of better words, I would say कि आपका एक principal ethos ये भी है कि you use Gita as a principle, right?
Yeah.
As a foundation to train and mentor people, coach people, I would say, right? So, how does that really becomes the foundation of it or a lifeline to it?
So, Gita, if anybody has read, they have applied the principles in their life, they are the ones who are like enlightened. Having said that, out of this majority population, there would be this much of population who would have read, and even lesser who would have applied.
Of course.
Now, why are they not able to apply? Because it's very rightly written कि कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन. The principle is right, but then again, मैं करूं कैसे ये? How do I reach that stage? How do I become a person who's not focusing on the results? हमारे KPIs हैं, हमारे सारे जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन है, आपके KRAs दे रखे हैं, तो आपको तो रिजल्ट पे ही फोकस करना है, and that is what is giving stress. So it's only like the change of perspective. If you start to focusing on the causes, invest all your energy in the causes, then the effect is a byproduct, isn't it?
Yeah.
But if you're focusing on the results, on the effects, तो causes कौन create करेगा? अगर एक farmer सिर्फ ये सोचे कि मेरी फसल अच्छी होनी चाहिए, मेरी फसल अच्छी होनी चाहिए, तो that is just a wishful thinking. But if he starts to focus कि फसल अच्छी करने के लिए मुझे क्या क्या करना है, मुझे सीड्स अच्छे चाहिए, मुझे ज़मीन में टिलिंग करना है, मुझे फर्टिलाइजर्स डालना है, पानी डालना है, सब कुछ डालना है, the byproduct will be a good harvest.
Correct.
So it's very simple what is written in the Gita, but yet it is, because we don't know how to work on it, it is very complicated, and that's why लोग एक पेज पढ़ते हैं और उसके बाद बंद करके रख देते हैं, ये हमारे बस का नहीं है.
हाँ, like वो होता है ना ज़्यादा, मे बी आई शुड नॉट से दिस, बट ज्ञान की बात है उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा, तो मे बी पीपल रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम.
इट्स एक्चुअली नॉट ज्ञान, इट इज द एक्चुअल प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ लाइफ. तो जो भी लोगों ने आज की डेट में आप देखोगे कि पीपल फ्रॉम US, UK, ऑल दोज पीपल, ऑल दीज गुरुज देयर, they are following the principles of Bhagavad Gita. NLP also would have evolved from Bhagavad Gita only, because the principles that are laid here are the actual way we have to live our life. The problem only is that we don't know how. So that's why I use Bhagavad Gita as a tool to create leaders using the tools of neuro-linguistic programming, emotional intelligence, and how then they start to become a sought after leader. So today neuroscience trainings are becoming very popular. So I conduct those trainings for middle and senior management. So the awareness is very less. तो corporates के अंदर आज भी ना वही होता है कि एक दिन की ट्रेनिंग कर दो और हमें बिल्कुल चेंज, मतलब पर्सनालिटी चाहिए. एक दिन में कौन चेंज होता है? You need to consistently do it, and I also guarantee that if any person is consistently doing these tools for around 3 months maximum, there is no way he cannot become a version 2.0 of him. That I'm telling in open.
So 3 months, you mean to say?
3 months. Because it's very simple. When you go to a gym, physical gym, आप dumbbells उठाते हो, तो आप overnight तो you don't get your biceps or your muscles done.
Abs and everything. Yeah.
You need to do it consistently. So NLP or the mindset tools, these are like your mental gym, right? तो यहाँ mental muscles भी तो है ना. तो उनको डेवलप होने में भी थोड़ा टाइम लगता है.
जी.
So simple, if your physical muscles can develop, your mental muscles can also develop.
Correct.
तो उसमें टाइम लगेगा.
हाँ मतलब पर वो होता है ना कि मैम everybody wants quick results.
Yes.
तो वो ना पेशेंस नहीं है फिर थोड़ा सा then they lose track and then
Actually, what you said is also very true. The good thing with the work that I do is, in certain cases, it just gives quick results.
okay.
Which cases are these? If somebody is stuck with anxiety, if somebody is stuck with phobia means like claustrophobia
हाँ,
या
yeah.
किसी भी चीज का डर, and they're living with it for like 40, 50, 60 years, it will not take more than 1 or 2 sessions to get rid of that completely. And till now, in my last 10 years of experience, I have not come across any other study जिससे इतनी जल्दी ये चीज़ें हट जाएं. So anxiety, phobias, stress triggers, anger, these all can be overcome. Anger I have seen can be overcome. I also have created a 4 framework process जिससे कि कोई भी तरीके का negative behavior हो, we can just overcome that. It's just a 4 framework process. That's it.
What is it if you can just tell me like bullets में क्या
So, okay, let's take an example that somebody has got anger issues, right?
Okay.
Now, that person also knows कि सेहत के लिए मेरा अच्छा नहीं है, but still why is he doing it? Family is suffering, he also sees that the family is suffering, still why can't he do that, right? And the family members will be saying कि मत गुस्सा किया करो, मत गुस्सा किया करो, right? तो सामने वाले ये ज्ञान दे रहे हैं कि देखो तुम्हारा रिश्ता खराब होगा, तुम्हारी सेहत पे असर होगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड ज्ञान. ठीक है. नाउ everybody is focusing on the output, again the effect. What I as a mindset coach do, I don't look at the effect, I look at the ingredients which have caused this output. So the 4-step framework is, whenever somebody is having an anger issue, there is always a meaning that he is making in his mind. Meaning मतलब अगर वो मुझे ऐसे देख रहा है तो इसका मतलब है कि वो मुझसे गुस्सा होगा, राइट? दिस इज द मीनिंग विच द माइंड इज मेकिंग. अब ये सबसे पहले एक लाइक दिस इज द टिपिंग पॉइंट, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. जहाँ से ये मीनिंग नेगेटिव हुआ, उसके बाद ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी एक इंटरनल डायलॉग चलेगी, आपके माइंड में एक स्टोरी चलती रहेगी. जब वो स्टोरी, ये अगर आपका ये मीनिंग नेगेटिव है तो आपकी स्टोरी भी नेगेटिव होगी, राइट? आप खुद को ये बोलोगे ना, पता नहीं क्या समझता है अपने आप को, ये मुझे ऐसे क्यों देख रहा है, ये मुझसे ऐसे क्यों, वाई इज ही थिंकिंग अबाउट मी लाइक दिस. चाहे वो बंदे ने कुछ नहीं किया हो, बट ये आपकी अपने अंदर चल रहा है. सो देर इज अ नेगेटिव मीनिंग which leads to a negative story inside. Naturally आपका मूड खराब होगा, so your emotional state is gone. And then is your strategy. Your strategy would be, अभी आए तो इसको बताऊंगा मैं. और ये सब 5 मिनट से लेके 5 घंटे तक डिपेंड करता है आपके अपने कंडीशनिंग के ऊपर. People spend hours and hours thinking about something, and as a result they become angry or irritated or frustrated. So it's just a 4 framework thing: the meaning, the story that you are talking to yourself, the state that you are in, and the strategy that you are creating. So out of this, I specialize in changing the state of the person. So if you notice today, the emotional states of people are completely screwed. हल्का सा ट्रिगर होता है एंड दे जस्ट गो बॉन्कर्स, सीधे शाम को पब में हिट करेंगे. तो आजकल आप देखोगे गुड़गांव में सारे पब्स भरे हुए हैं.
हम गुड़गांव में तो हमेशा से भरे हुए हैं ऐसे बताऊं but
तो
yeah.
वो इसलिए नहीं है कि पीपल आर वांटिंग टू ड्रिंक, पीपल आर वांटिंग टू गेट ऑफ व्हाटएवर दे हैव बीन थिंकिंग थ्रू आउट
trying to
द
numb
डे.
their mind maybe.
Exactly.
It's their escape plan.
एस्केप प्लान. सो ये मुझसे हैंडल नहीं हो रहा, तो इजी वे आउट क्या है, चलो शाम को जाके एक
Drink ले लेते हैं.
लगा
हाँ,
लो.
हाँ, हाँ.
So it's just a band-aid. It's not a surgery which can completely heal you. So I always have seen that any kind of emotional issues are coming from unprocessed pain, unprocessed helplessness or unprocessed grief,
Hmm.
because these all stem from the childhood. जब हम पैदा हुए थे तो हम गुस्से के साथ थोड़ी पैदा हुए थे.
रोते हुए तो होते शायद, पर गुस्से में तो
रोते
नहीं
हुए तो थे क्योंकि वो लंग्स क्लीन होंगे.
ऑफ कोर्स. हाँ.
तो उसके बाद तो मतलब वी वर नॉट born with anxieties, we were not born with stress, we were not born with anger, but something happened as we were growing up that told our mind that this is how I have to respond in these kind of situations. So the mind learnt it. Now if the mind has learnt it, it can also unlearn, right? Unlearning के लिए जरिए बहुत कम है,
Hmm.
जो हैं वो बहुत ही बेकार हैं, जैसे कि ड्रिंक्स और get into any addictions. But there is a positive way also, which is how you can train your mind, and then you can get out of these emotional challenges.
पर मैम आपको एक चीज नहीं लगता, मैं जैसे मैं बताता हूँ, हर इंसान जब भी कोई बात करता है या कोई भी सिचुएशन में होता है, मैं उसको अब स्ट्रगल नहीं बोलूंगा, सिचुएशन बोलूंगा. ठीक है, आपने मेरा माइंडसेट तो चेंज कर दिया.
Good.
ठीक है, तो अगर मैं बात करूँ, एक सिचुएशन की बात करते हैं, राइट? अगर एवरीबॉडी इन देयर स्टोरी लाइक्स टू प्ले अ विक्टिम कार्ड,
Oh yes. Oh
और ये
yes.
मतलब आप अपनी स्टोरी में खुद ही हीरो या खुद ही आप पीड़ित हो, है ना?
बिल्कुल.
अब मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि ये सबके साथ है, कभी ना कभी सबने, मैंने भी किया होगा, शायद आपने भी किया होगा. ओके, एंड ये हम करते हैं, राइट? इट्स अगेन इट्स अ स्टोरी जो हम अपने आप को बोल रहे हैं,
Exactly.
है ना? और हम दूसरों की वैलिडेशन भी देख रहे हैं साथ साथ कि हाँ
वो भी देखो, वो भी पीड़ित है.
हाँ, देखो देखो, आप समझ रहे हो ना मेरी बात, जो मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ. फॉर एग्जांपल, जैसे हम, सो यू वांट टू लॉबी अराउंड,
Right, right, right.
तो इसको कैसे डील करें, मतलब?
Again, that's a pattern.
हम्म.
ठीक है. So in our program, so I conduct a 30 days program, and in that there is one of the module which is called a drama triangle.
अच्छा.
Right. Now in the drama triangle, there is one person which is a victim, there is one person which is a persecutor, and there is one person who's a rescuer, and it's a classic drama.
ओके.
एक आदमी हमेशा चिल्ला रहा होगा एक आदमी के ऊपर, या मोस्टली वो औरत होती है. सो देर इज वन एंग्री पर्सन एंड देर इज वन विक्टिम, एंड नॉर्मली एक होम सिचुएशन के अंदर जो बच्चे होते हैं वो रेस्क्यूअर्स होते हैं. नाउ दिस ड्रामा इज हैपनिंग डे इन एंड डे आउट, and it's happening at a deeper unconscious level. If a person is looking and this at this drama, he will be thinking कर क्या रहे हो यार तुम.
मतलब आप सिचुएशन में खुद नहीं हो तो बाहर से तो ऐसे लगता है ना कि
बाहर से देख
बाहर
रहा
से तो बड़ा ऑब्जेक्टिवली दिखता है जब आपको सिचुएशन में खुद नहीं होते.
Exactly. Now, when you are in that situation, it's very easy to come out of it if you are aware. So, in coaching, we just ask some questions, right? And those questions are like real hard hitting. So, जैसे अभी आपने देखा कि आपने प्रॉब्लम बोल रहे थे, लेकिन एक अवेयरनेस के बाद आपने प्रॉब्लम को चेंज करके सिचुएशन बोल लिया, राइट? उसी तरीके से ये लोग जो ये ड्रामा प्ले कर रहे हैं, इनको पता ही नहीं है कि मैं ये प्ले कर रहा हूँ. सो व्हेन देयर इज अ पैटर्न ब्रेक, that is how these unconscious drama starts to break, and then the person who's playing the victim card stops playing that victim card, because he sees that I am so much more than just a victim. And I said this to all the women out there who are glorified victimizers. They think that they, मतलब ये उनको ना एक उपाधि मिल गई है विक्टिम कार्ड प्ले
बेचारा
करने
बन के मजा आता है.
बेचारा बन के मजा आता है. And I tell them that, guys, there is so much more for you to do rather than just playing this victim card. लेकिन people who have got this desire to change, they stop playing the victim card. Most of them still play the victim card. And many of them would just switch off this right now because they would not want to listen to this. कि मैं victim card play कर रही हूँ.
हार्ड ट्रूथ है ना,
It's a hard truth.
डाइजेस्ट मुश्किल से होता है.
Right. So the kind of questions they ask themselves, if they are of quality, then they will come out of their victim mindset. So a question to all those people who are thinking of themselves as a victim, I'll just ask them one question. Till when?
कब तक करोगे भाई?
कब तक?
सही बात है.
Right? And the second question could be that, what do you want to tell your children, or how do you want them to see you? Like this victim, this classic victim. Do they want, do you want them to like think highly of you, or say that, oh, my parents are such a victim? Now, this is the kind of, pattern break when people get, then they wake up from their deep slumber. And then the victim mindset overnight नहीं जाएगा, but again there will be some, like हथौड़ी धीरे 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 पड़नी शुरू हो जाएगी, but एक पढ़नी बहुत ज़रूरी होती है.
हाँ मतलब एक चोट खानी जरूरी होती है टाइम्स. बट नहीं मैं आई टोटली एग्री विद यू मैम कि मतलब ऐसा होता है कि लोग विक्टिम कार्ड खेलते हैं, पर आप एक ना उनका नेचर बन जाता है.
So I'll share with you a pattern of people who love to play the victim card. So, and it's with due respect to, all those people who I'm going to be talking about. Have you ever seen some elderly people who get, उनके हाथ में चोट लग गई, दर्द हो रहा है, लेकिन वो बहुत खुश हैं.
हाँ
क्यों खुश हैं?
मतलब उनको शायद एंजॉय द पेन, पता नहीं, मतलब उनको वो अच्छा लगता है कि मुझे अब लोग पूछेंगे. हाँ,
एग्जैक्टली.
हाँ.
सो दैट इज अ सेकेंडरी गेन. आपको दर्द हो रहा है, बाजू में चोट लग गई है, दर्द हो रहा है, बट द एंजॉयमेंट ऑफ पीपल कमिंग एंड आपको वो बोले अरे ये कैसे हो गया, इम्पोर्टेंस फील हो रही है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पेन. नाउ दैट इज वन सेट ऑफ विक्टिम कार्ड. The second set of victim cards are the ones who don't have a strong goal, or they don't have a strong sense of superiority. मतलब उनके पास credentials अगर हम बोले, so they think in their mind that they don't have those strong credentials. और उनको वो क्रेडेंशियल स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए मेहनत भी नहीं करनी. सो द ईजी वे आउट इज, हाय मैं बेचारा, मेरी तो किस्मत ही खराब है. सो जस्ट ब्लेम इट ऑन अपनी किस्मत, ब्लेम इट ऑन द गवर्नमेंट, ब्लेम इट ऑन द पीपल, पेरेंट्स, स्पाउस, चिल्ड्रन, सिबलिंग्स, एनीबडी, राइट? सो whenever I see a pattern in people who are blaming, I just detach from those people because they are having a victim mindset. And ये ऐसे लोग ना बाकी के जो भी लोग होंगे ना उनको भी अपनी तरफ आकर्षित कर लेते हैं, because negative energy is always more powerful than the positive energy, right? For positive you have to work really hard, negative happens so easily. So to give you an example, there would be no school which will be teaching you how to get into drugs, but there will be rehabs to get you off those drugs, right? तो गलत में जाने में कुछ नहीं करना, आपको कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन नहीं है सिखाने के लिए, ये माइंड अपने आप सीख जाता है. लेकिन कोई भी पॉजिटिव चीज़ करनी हो उसके लिए मेहनत लगती है, उसके लिए आपको मोटिवेशन चाहिए, उसके लिए आपको सीखना पड़ता है, उसके लिए आपको ट्रेनिंग्स चाहिए होती हैं. सो फॉर एनी पॉजिटिव it is an effort. Negative doesn't have any effort. So that's why victim mindset, some people don't know that they are playing the victim card, some people know, yet they choose to play it unconsciously. So having said that, it's not that those people are wrong, it's just that they have found comfort in playing the victim card.
It's very deep and of course it's actually true also. मतलब अगर come to think of it कि अगर हाँ मेरा यार खराब हो गया, अब मतलब मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ, ट्रैफिक बहुत है, रेड लाइट लंबी है, यहाँ पे हमेशा जाम होता है ना, पीपल
तो पैटर्न डिकोड करना. ट्रैफिक में 10 लोग होंगे लेकिन कुछ 2-3 लोग ऐसे होंगे जो उस टाइम को यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं. They are maybe having a call, or they're reading something, they're having an audio book, so they're utilizing that time. But some people would just be cribbing. And there is a saying that the way you do one thing is the way you do everything, right? So तो आपको अगर किसी इंसान को पहचानना है ना, तो आप उसको कैंडिड देखो, how is this person's behavior, and you will understand about them.
मतलब yes ma'am, it's a एब्सोल्युटली राइटली पुट, राइट, मतलब ये तो वही बात है कि आपको अपना माइंड को अलाइन करना पड़ेगा, जो हम बात कर रहे हैं माइंडफुलनेस की, जो हम बात कर रहे हैं।
True, true.
सो सारी गेम स्टोरी लाइन वही है
The
ना?
whole story is your mindset. So I have a tagline for myself, which is mindset है तो life set है.
Nice. I think you have a lot of these, what do you say,
These are,
sayings in अपने self affirmations के लिए भी, right?
yeah. So always see, we are also humans. There is a time when we also dip, right? But we don't sink in that. We just dip and then we come out. So people who dip and then they go deeper, for them life is hell. There is no beauty in that.
सो मैम मतलब जैसे कुंग फू पैंडा मूवी जैसे है ना, सबने देखी है, राइट, एंड उसमें मास्टर वे होते हैं, वो बोलते हैं कि यस्टरडे इज हिस्ट्री, टुडे इज अ गिफ्ट, राइट, दिस इज
Yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery, today is
a
the
gift, right? Yeah, so and then it's very simple, मतलब कितना बहुत सिंपल सी बात है ना? एंड आई थिंक touching back to your Gita thing, right, that is also saying कि
Live in the present.
live in the present, right? So
True.
it's the same thing, right?
Exactly.
तो टीचिंग्स वही हैं, अब वो कैसे आप उसको प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो, तो एक एनिमेटेड मूवी में देखा और पैंडा है, सबको बड़ा प्यार है, तो वो बात आपको जल्दी से समझ आ गई, पर आपने उसको सुना, पर लोगों ने उसको
Implement
नहीं किया, राइट?
इम्प्लीमेंट करने का तरीका नहीं पता था ना, तो कुंग फू पांडा में अवेयरनेस तो दे दी कि yesterday was history, today is a present, but how to live that. तो अगर आप ये देखोगे, इनफैक्ट आई वाज रीडिंग दिस बुक yesterday, 48 laws of power, right? Very nicely written. So some people will call it very crooked and its negative connotation. But the ones who actually apply those rules, they can just transform their lives. Now the books, they will tell you, okay, do this, think like Chanakya. But how? So if you look at any self-help book, they will give you the awareness, but they will not give you the tool how to achieve it. That's why books could be for 200 rupees, but a training would cost like 2 lakh rupees. Because here all your deep-seated patterns which you have brought from 20 years, 30 years, they are breaking और आपके सामने दिख रहे हैं आपको break होते हुए, right? So that is the reason Anthony Robbins' book would be for 500 rupees, but when you go to a physical seminar, it would be for like 5 lakh, 10 lakh rupees. And he's exactly telling in the book what he's doing.
Correct. I'm like, of course there's a price point. अब वही वाली बात है ना मैम, easily available है, तो लोग बुक ले तो लेते हैं, और वो शेल्फ में पड़ी रहती है, या फिर वो आपके किसी क्लोजेट में कहीं मट्टी खा रही होती है, राइट?
या सोशल गैदरिंग में ना आप बोल सकते हो, ओ या आई रेड इट, मुझे भी पता है, तो आप भी ना, मतलब यू आर पार्ट ऑफ द क्राउड जिन्होंने वो बुक पढ़ रखी है, बट व्हाट इज द इम्पैक्ट? नथिंग.
बट देन सिमिलरली जैसे आपने बुक का रेफरेंस दिया, राइट, देयर इज अनदर बुक व्हिच आई वाज रेफरिंग टू इज Power of Now, where we say now, they say that you have to realize that every moment is this moment, you have to deeply understand that, right? But then एक बड़ी सिंपल सी बात है, live in the present, realize करो यही है जो है, ये पल है, इसमें जो होगा, right? But then वो हम 90% अपनी जिंदगी या तो पास में कर देते हैं, यार मैंने ये किया था, या फिर मैं ये करूँगा. तो how do you bring that, that I know mindfulness is a tool and you have to be aware. ये वर्ड सबको पता है, हेवी वर्ड्स हैं, अंग्रेजी वोकैबुलरी में सबने अपने डाल दिए हैं, और मतलब सूडो इंटेलेक्ट भी हो गए हैं, और बैठ के इसको बड़े बड़े वर्ड यूज भी कर दिए, राइट? बट एप्लीकेशन तो है ही नहीं.
I'll tell you why. So हमारे हर बॉडी पार्ट का कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होता है, हमारे माइंड का भी एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है. सो द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, इट वर्क्स ऑन रेपिटेशन. So for example, if I ask you, Addy, what is 2 into 8? You will immediately say 16.
Correct.
ठीक है? But if I ask you that what is 27 into 6, नहीं बता पाओगे. Why?
नहीं बता दूंगा, कैलकुलेट
करना पड़ेगा. But ऐसे flow state में नहीं बता पाओगे. Because 2 का टेबल हमने कितनी बार रिपीट किया था, right? मुझे ध्यान है, my mom used to वो ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार, 2 1 2, 3 3 3 1 3, ये बोलते बोलते हमें सुलाते थे. तो ये हमारे सबकॉन्शियस के अंदर बैठ के है और हमने कितनी बार उसको रिपीट किया है, राइट? So the subconscious works on repetitions. Now, if you keep repeating the same thing over and over again, it becomes your second nature. The problem is that we are doing all of this but negatively. So if we have a stress situation, we are thinking morning, evening, night, and that is becoming our second nature. So whatever you are doing currently, that's all you need to do, but positively. So if you are repeating, saying to yourself, अरे मेरी किस्मत खराब है, लोग मेरे को धोखा देते हैं, मेरी किस्मत में पैसा नहीं है, you listen to these kind of statements only, and your subconscious mind is listening. It is like that servant whose job is to just say तथास्तु. आपने बोला किस्मत खराब है, वो बोलेगा तथास्तु, लेट मी क्रिएट सिचुएशंस फॉर यू टू प्रूव तुम्हारी किस्मत खराब है. इफ यू से आई एम सच अ फेलियर, इट विल से तथास्तु, लेट मी नाउ क्रिएट सिचुएशंस फॉर यू टू प्रूव दैट यू आर अ फेलियर. सो द प्रिंसिपल इज दिस, ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज बिकम अवेयर एंड आस्क योरसेल्फ, भाई मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ. अगर मैं खुद को ये बोल रहा हूँ कि आई एम अ फेलियर, भाई तुम ये भी तो बोल सकते हो आई एम अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन, I am confident, I am attracting money. The funny part is that when I get people to do these exercises, they think that what are you doing? And recently there was an example. I was working with a coachee and he had a lot of self-criticism. I made him see a mirror and I said, look in this mirror and say to yourself, I love you, and take your name. You won't believe, he couldn't look at himself for like more than 3 seconds. And he said, I'm feeling jitters. Then I said, okay, start again. And then he said, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. फिर बोला, and he started crying. यहाँ तक के आंसू निकल के आए थे, literally. So now you see, and it's not that the person doesn't see himself shaving or brushing every day. But this time when he had to say, looking at himself, that I love you, it just like shook him. But that was a very big data for me to start his intervention. Because when you were small, you would look at yourself and say, अरे तू तो बहुत सुंदर है, अरे तू तो बहुत अच्छा है. But what happened during your growing up that you started hating yourself? Now, when you are attracting failures, it could be in different countries, it could be in different situations. What is the common factor? The common factor is you, which means, again, what I said earlier, there is something deeply stuck inside which is inviting all these failure patterns unconsciously. Unconsciously means without your awareness. So, यहाँ आप conflict देखोगे, हर बंदा चाहता है कि मुझे ढेर सारा पैसा मिले, हर बंदा चाहता है कि मेरी तबीयत अच्छी हो, आई शुड बी हेल्दी. हर इंसान चाहता है कि मेरा करियर बहुत अच्छा हो, हर इंसान चाहता है मेरे रिलेशंस अच्छे हों, ठीक है, हर इंसान चाहता है कि मैं मेंटली, फिजिकली, इमोशनली खुश रहूँ, राइट? एवरीबडी वांट्स दिस, you also want this, right? Now look at the reality. When we talk about health, how many people are healthy? When we talk about money, how many people are actually rich? 30 तारीख को सैलरी वाले लोगों के बटुए खाली होते हैं, है ना? If we talk about relations, today the divorce.
Sorry to cut you. 30 तारीख को अमीर होते हैं, 2 तारीख को खाली होते हैं. So yeah.
हाँ, क्योंकि
EMI साइकिल चल रही है ना.
Right. So रिलेशंस हैं, रिलेशंस में आज की डेट में आप देखोगे डिवोर्सेस कितने ज़्यादा हैं. The parents and the children are not talking to each other. There is lot of money, but there is no emotional health, there is no mental health that is there. So आप conflict देख रहे हो, हम चाह क्या रहे हैं लेकिन हमें मिल क्या रहा है. This is always a conflict that will remain because one part is your logical mind and the other part is your emotional mind. So what I do in my trainings and coachings is I get these two married, right? So whatever you want and whatever is not helping you achieve what you want, I bridge that gap so that you can just easily get what you want, whether in terms of health, whether in terms of career, in money, in fame, success, health, anything.
अगेन मैम इसमें मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि जैसे ये कितनी सिंपल फिलॉसफी है, सिंपल टीचिंग है, चाहे गीता से कर लो, चाहे एक पिक्चर से सीख लो, या जो मर्जी हो, राइट, जो आप बोल रहे हो। अब लोग इतना पैसा खर्च कर ट्रेनिंग्स में आते हैं, ठीक है। अब कॉर्पोरेट में, मतलब सॉरी टू से, मतलब मुझे लगता है कॉर्पोरेट के अंदर काफ़ी ऐसी ट्रेनिंग्स होती है ना, इट इज़ इम्पोज्ड ऑन पीपल। तो आधे लोग तो दिल से नहीं आते, ठीक है, आते तो फॉर्मेलिटी है कि वो मैंडेटरी ट्रेनिंग है, कॉर्पोरेट ने पैकेज ले रखा है तो आपको जाना पड़ेगा। तो आधे लोग तो अपना दिमाग कहीं और होता है, पर शट कर आते हैं, राइट। एंड देन जो लोग एक्चुअली आना भी चाहते हैं, तो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग दैट दे वर्किंग फॉर बेटर सेल्फ, राइट। बट सो माय क्वेश्चन इज कि अगर एक इंसान एक ट्रेनिंग में आता है, एक सेशंस में आता है, राइट,
हाँ,
उसको पता है जो आप चीज़ें बता रहे हो बहुत बेसिक है,
ठीक
right?
है।
है ना। अब मैंने जिसमें यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग में आ गया, आपने मुझे जो बातें बताई, आई एम श्योर पार्ट ऑफ इट इज पार्ट ऑफ योर ट्रेनिंग ऑल्सो, है ना।
राइट।
तो मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ कि मैम ये तो बड़ा बेसिक है, आपने कैसे क्या नया सिखा दिया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल।
So that's what my trainings are not ज्ञान, my trainings are action.
एक्शन।
So जब तक आप experience नहीं करते तब तक आपको लगता है कि कुछ नहीं है. So first, so my trainings, no, आज तक in my last 10 years, so right from the time when I started, I was a novice that time. From then till now, one pattern is consistent. अगर मेरी 2 घंटे की ट्रेनिंग है तो वो हमेशा 2.25-2.5 घंटे खींचती है, चाहे वो ऑनलाइन हो चाहे वो ऑफलाइन हो। सो पहले कोविड के पहले वी यूज टू डू ओनली ऑफलाइन ट्रेनिंग्स, ठीक है। तो उसमें यही पैटर्न रहता था कि सो दैट यूज टू बी 5 days ट्रेनिंग। सो वी वुड स्टार्ट एट 10 in the morning and the official closing time used to be 6 till date. I don't recall a time when it ended at 6, not because I wanted to end, because the participants didn't want to end. तो वो 6:30, 7, 7:30, फिर कई बारी मैं बोलती हूँ कल का दिन है, कल भी आ जाना। सो दैट इज़ वन पार्ट। द सेकेंड थिंग इज़, जब कोविड आया तो हमने यही चीज़ ऑनलाइन शुरू करी, द सेम पैटर्न रिपीटेड इन ऑनलाइन। तो अगर हमारी 3 घंटे की ट्रेनिंग होती थी तो लोगों को यही एक स्केप्टिसिज्म रहता था कि ऑनलाइन कौन बैठेगा, बट माई ट्रेनिंग्स स्ट्रेच। तो मैं उनको बोल के रखती हूँ स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम डे वन, कीप अ हाफ एन आवर बफर बिकॉज इट विल एक्सटेंड, एंड इट हैज़ हैपेंड. So there is a belief in neuro-linguistic programming that there is no inflexible student, there is only an inflexible teacher, right? So when I am working with senior officials, they come with lot of resistance. Why? Because like what you rightly said कि ये तो हमें पता है, तुम क्या नया सिखाओगे. So I'm already, जैसे ही वो आके बैठते हैं, I already get, by looking at their posture, that they're just sitting here to judge, right? And then I start with my tools. It could be hypnosis, it could be,
Hypnosis.
NLP. Yes, so we had one trainer. He was an international trainer again, and we started the training at 9:30. Okay, by 10 o'clock, all of us were like this. We were dozing off. So he had induced trance by his talking. क्योंकि जब ज़्यादा हमें पता होता है ना, लॉजिकली जस्ट सूडो नोइंग, वहाँ पर ना वो बैरियर आ जाता है आपके ग्रोथ में. So then he said, you Indians, you talk a lot, you don't take any actions. So he put everybody, because we all were very senior trainers. So to train a senior trainer is again a task. So he put everybody into like sleep mode, and then he was delivering. So जो हमारी trainings होती है ना, these are not for the logical mind. These are for the subconscious mind. So again, we have to show some proofs so that we get their buying in. And then once they have bought, then they stick till the last moment, whether it is an executive or whether it is a senior manager or it is the director or the vice president or the general manager, whoever it is. Because we are just addressing what they already know, and we're telling them that, boss, you if knowing was everything, then you would not be in the problem. And that's the biggest problem today, that we know a lot. I know yoga is very good, yoga is very good, but how many days do you go for yoga? Again, action. So
Right.
till the time you are not doing it, this knowledge is useless.
मतलब ऑफ कोर्स आई एग्री एंड ये होता है, मतलब जो आपने योगा वाला एग्जांपल दिया, ऑफ कोर्स लोगों को पता है सेहत के लिए अच्छा है, बस जिस दिन नेशनल योगा डे होता है उस दिन सब अपने योगा मैट निकाल कर इंस्टाग्राम पे
Pictures click करेंगे ना?
इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टोरी डाल देते हैं, पर आई एम श्योर देयर आर गुड प्रैक्टिशनर्स हु स्टिक टू इट, बट
Very rare.
वेरी रेयर.
So it's always a Pareto's principle. Only 20% people will be doing, whatever is being told.
सो आप हाउ डू यू, मतलब ऑफ कोर्स आपका ट्रेनिंग इस तरह से डिजाइंड होगा कि वो इंटरेक्टिव होगा, पीपल गेट सेल्फ एंगेज्ड इन एवरीथिंग, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स स्ट्रेचिंग
It's
बियॉन्ड
experiential.
एक्सपीरियंशियल. ओके.
Yeah. So I'm just telling them, about the thing, and then I'm making them do it. So that when they do it, that is when they break their old patterns. मैं कितना मर्जी बोलती रहूं, लेकिन उससे कुछ होगा ही नहीं. So I don't talk much. It's not instructor-led training program. It is an experiential training program wherein all the tools that you are learning, you are actually applying them. And that is how your previous old patterns start to break, and you start to create a new version of you right there, right then.
I'm like, of course, as long as you act on it, वाली बात होगी ना again, तभी तो उस पे results आएंगे. मतलब you
Okay, I'll just pause you here.
Hmm.
So, very simple. This is a mobile, it's a screen here, right?
Okay.
अब ये screen एकदम intact है.
जी.
इसके अंदर आपको इमेज बहुत अच्छे से दिखेगी, राइट? अब हमने इसको अगर तोड़ दिया तो ये क्रैक हो जाएगा.
जी.
आपको वो इमेज जो पहले बहुत अच्छे से दिख रही थी वो दिखेगी? बिल्कुल नहीं दिखेगी ना. Exactly the same thing happens. So like when I told you that anxieties or phobias, that is only a few minutes kind of a session, simply because the subconscious mind is holding a memory in the form of either images or sounds or feelings, right? Now, with the interventions that we do with NLP, if there is an image, let's say a trauma image, let's say a physical abuse image, let's say a sexual abuse image, right? The people are just carrying with them maybe like 30 years since, right? And a litmus test for that is, if you close your eyes, and let's say 30 years back something happened, and when you close your eyes, you are still able to see that exactly, like colorful, and you're able to see that बिल्कुल जैसे वो अभी हो रहा हो, it means that you are living that trauma even right now, because the subconscious does not understand reality and imagination. If you are able to see that exactly as it happened then, it means it needs therapy immediately. The moment we do the therapy, it's just like breaking that glass. That image will get tarnished, and when that image trigger, which is the emotional trigger, when that trigger only is removed, then the behavior naturally changes. And we see like these transformations day in and day out in our programs. Somebody who has got an anxiety issue, somebody who's got a molestation, somebody had a relationship challenge, somebody saw their parents fighting, and if they see some people fighting, they just get into jitters.
सो मैम एक ना मिसकंसेप्शन है जो मैं एड्रेस करना चाहता हूँ, मतलब मैं पूछना भी चाहता हूँ आपसे, मतलब ऑफ कोर्स आपके साथ जो भी हो रहा है, राइट, मतलब आप जो भी एंजाइटी है, डिप्रेशन है, या कुछ भी है, व्हाटएवर स्टेट और सिचुएशन इज, राइट, most of the time in therapies, what I've heard, right, people try to connect it with a childhood trauma. 90% of the cases, that's what I've heard. And I feel like, sometimes it is, maybe it's there, it's deep rooted and you have to uncover it through therapy and everything. But सबने आजकल वही बना दिया है, मतलब इसको ना फर्स्ट गो टू इज ये प्रॉब्लम होगा, बचपन में कुछ हुआ होगा, ऐसा does that I know it's 90%, 100%, maybe 100% true. बट आप इसको ट्रूली बिलीव करते हो कि वो चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा ही है? इट कैन बी रीसेंट इंसिडेंट ऑल्सो, पर जनरली जो थेरेपिस्ट हैं मतलब they try to start from their childhood.
See, I don't know about other therapists. I'll talk about myself. So, let's say a person comes to me who's 40 years old and he has got severe anxiety issues or low self confidence issue. Okay? Now, we look at milestones. Okay, 30 years में कैसे था सेम था 20 years में कैसे था सेम था सो माइलस्टोन्स जब हम देखते हैं ना तो वहाँ से हमें पता चलता है कि ये वाला टाइम था मे बी इट वॉज 6 years मे बी इट वॉज 20 years सो वी गो बैक एंड लुक एट द फर्स्ट टाइम when it happened.
Okay.
Most of the time it happens at the age of maybe 1 to 7,
Okay.
because that is the time the mind is not developed, the conscious mind, the logical mind is not developed. It's only your emotional brain that is working, right? So when your emotional mind has made a meaning, that is how it is running the show. What other sections or other ways of therapy, maybe they go in there and they ask and they make the person relive that trauma or situation again, and that is again very painful. The beauty of my therapy is that even if 10 people are sitting and let's say this person says that yes, I have a trauma, I will be able to work on that person in front of 10 other people without him telling exactly what had happened. So whatever happened, he does not need to say out. Nobody will get to know, and I will work on that without him saying it out. And this is how actually a therapist should be, right? Because जो हमारा therapeutic style है, that is content free. Content free means we are not going into ये किसने करा था, तुमने क्या बोला, उसने क्या बोला, nothing. We just need the image. If the image is there, so my questions are, can you see that? Is it a moving image or is it a still image? Is it a colored image? Is it a black and white image? Now, very common sense question. अगर आप एक मूवी देख रहे हो और वो कलर्ड में है तो उसका इम्पैक्ट ज़्यादा होता है. अगर एक पिक्चर एक इमेज देख रहे हो वर्सेस एक मूविंग वीडियो देख रहे हो तो वीडियो का ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट है. Exactly how it is impacting the mind. So if some people are seeing a trauma memory in moving, in video, in colored, and if it is very close to them, right? So there are some people who are seeing it here, there are some people who are seeing it here, so the subconscious mind is positioning those images somewhere here or here. The closer it is, the bigger it is. If it is moving, if it is color, the impact is your stress. Those triggers are always surrounding you. The more it is away from you, the smaller it is, black and white it is not giving you that impact, right? So I know you are also sounding a little confused, so let's do it right now. वो बोलते हैं ना हाथ कंगन को आरसी क्या. So
Yeah.
if I ask you,
Now, before we go there, I'll do this exercise, and of
Uh-huh.
course on camera we'll do it, and let's see how it goes. But generally ये नहीं होता कि it's a guided kind of a path. जैसे for example मैं आपको बोलूँ कि don't think about banana. तो पहली चीज दिमाग में you will see a banana,
uh-huh,
right? And similarly आपने बोला अच्छा still देख रहे हो या moving देख रहे हो, right? आपने मतलब you didn't give the mind that other option.
I'm giving proper questions.
अच्छा okay.
So because that is data for me. I am giving them a path to see this. And then I make them just answer to my question. So when I say that, okay, when you're seeing this happening, where do you see that? So then they'll be like, okay, पहले समझ नहीं आता कई लोगों को, फिर वो बोलते हैं हाँ मुझे यहाँ दिख रहा है. So for example, if I ask you that, Addy, when you think of your mother, just close your eyes and think of your
Are
mother.
you really doing this?
Yes,
Okay.
it's fun.
Okay.
When you think of your mother, Just tell me, show me by your hand, where do you see her image?
Oh, where's my mom in my mental space right now?
Yes.
I think she's right here. I'm like, yeah.
Okay, you can see her right
Yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah.
ठीक है? All right, open your eyes.
Mm.
Now, when you think of your dad, just think about him, close your eyes and tell me, where do you see him?
Right here. Always
On your
scolding me.
on your right.
Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है, open your eyes. Do you have a sibling?
Yeah, I have an elder brother.
Elder brother. Okay, when you think of your elder brother, where do you see him?
Do I close my eyes again?
Yes.
Okay. Here somewhere, yeah.
Just see where it is. Just show me by your hand where
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah.
Here.
Mm.
Okay. Uh,
We should not give away too much also. I can see where it is going.
no, I'm not going to go beyond this.
Yeah.
So you have three people in your family, and all three of them were positioned differently,
Correct. Yeah.
right? That's it.
Mm.
Now, you wouldn't have ever thought about it that where are you placing these family members in your mind's eye?
Mm.
But your mother is here, your father is here, your brother is here.
Yeah.
And you said your brother is here, but he would be somewhere here.
Yeah, yeah, of course. Yeah. I'm like, that's what I meant. Yeah. Yeah.
So we look at micro muscle expressions on the face,
Hmm.
right? And when we are doing these exercises, the job of the therapist, the coach, the trainer is to pay close attention to how the muscles are changing of the face when we are talking about one person or the second person. And it just changes for like one quick second.
So everything kind of feeds into your muscle memory and then.
Exactly.
Okay.
Because your mind is very quick. You know, it's just quickly giving a message to the body and the body is just responding. So it's like cut, 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 cut. You know, आपको पता भी नहीं चलता.
On same note, आपने जो question पूछा 27 to 6, it's 162. Okay.
Oh, you have been thinking about this?
No, I'm like, I had this. I have to bring it out. कि मुझे पता है यार. But yeah, so I'm like, एक चीज बहुत होती है कि एक को ना लगता है कि ना we all feel very entitled.
Oh, yes.
Right? कि मेरे को ये deserve करता हूँ
करता हूँ
या मैं
मैं.
करती हूँ.
Right, right.
And गीता का बहुत बड़ा saying है that you have the right to your actions,
Not the results.
not the results, right? But you don't have the right to whatever is going to happen. Fruits. Yeah, that's the right saying. Like, of course, you're expert in there. So इस mindset को बड़ी simple सी बात है कि आप जो शायद हिंदी में बोलते हैं कर्म करो फल की इच्छा मत करो, सेम ही बात होगी शायद, right? In a way, right? You don't have the right.
Kind of, yeah.
But now हो गया कि मैंने इतना काम किया तो मुझे इसका ये रिजल्ट चाहिए.
और अगर नहीं मिलेगा
तो वो disappointment,
मैं फैल जाऊंगा.
हाँ, but we become like those small younger kids, right?
Yes.
जमीन पे लेट गए और we throw tantrums,
Right.
तो and this is happening a lot.
Happening a lot, true.
And why do you think, what is the root cause? This is a simple thing, पर तब भी हम करे जा रहे हैं वही बेवकूफी.
See, आजकल ना, if you look around, there is this concept of instant gratification. जो आपने बोला कि मैंने ये किया तो ये मुझे मिलना है, right? But things don't happen according to us. That is also the truth. Now, when the focus, so again there is a part in the brain which is called reticular activating system. ठीक है? Now, this reticular activating system is responsible to focus. जहाँ पर भी ये फोकस करेगा वो वाली चीज बढ़ेगी. आज की डेट में बिकॉज द मेंटालिटी इज अ हर्ड मेंटालिटी, जो सब कर रहे हैं मुझे भी वो करना है. 9.9 out of 10 people are only working on instant gratification.
True.
Right? And that is the reason they are wanting immediate results. क्यों? अगर आप अपने सिबलिंग्स को देखो, अपने स्कूल में फ्रेंड्स देखो, अपने ऑफिस में कॉलीग्स देखो, everybody is running the same mindset, right? तो जो आपका माइंड है वो फोकस कहाँ जा रहा है? अगेन कि भैया मुझे सब कुछ अभी चाहिए, नहीं मिल रहा तो there is something wrong. So that sense of entitlement is just coming, one, because we are seeing it around. Two, we are feeding our mind also that अगर अब सब कुछ अभी चाहिए, नहीं मिला तो कल का क्या पता, कल होगा कि नहीं होगा. So it's today, especially in the the Gen Zs who we see, this feeling of entitlement कि मुझे तो ये चाहिए ही है, कहीं ना कहीं it's our us as parents also responsible, because हम लोगों ने बिना मांगे इतना सब कुछ दे दिया, हमने अपनी मर्जी से दिया, और वो बच्चे उसको एंटाइटल समझते हैं। अब जब वो बार बार मांगेंगे तब आपको लगेगा ये मांग क्यों रहे। सो इट्स ऑलवेज अ कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग थ्योरी विच वी आर टीचिंग आवर चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो, कि मैं जब दूंगा तो तुम ले लो, लेकिन जब तुम मांगोगे तब तुम बोलोगे, तब मुझे ये लगेगा कि तुम एंटाइटल्ड हो। सो समवेयर it's us parents also responsible to have this mindset in children also of the instant gratification. That's why it's very difficult to work with these people today. आजकल आप रील्स देख रहे होगे ना कि Gen Zs ऑफिस में आते हैं तो कैसे काम करते हैं।
Correct.
They just feel entitled.
Yeah.
आप अपना टाइम याद करो, अगर आपका बॉस आपको कुछ बोलता था, आप जवाब दोगे, आप बोलोगे कि ये रखी आपकी नौकरी में जा रहा हूँ
नहीं
छोड़
नहीं
के।
नहीं बिल्कुल भी नहीं, मतलब आई थिंक आई स्टिल कांट से इट। वो तो ऑफ कोर्स वी आई एम प्रॉब्ली ओल्ड स्कूल दैट वे, पर हमारा ऐसे ही होता था, मतलब इफ बॉस इज देयर यू हैव टू बी देयर।
हम रिस्पेक्ट दिखाते होते
Respect,
थे।
हाँ।
आज की डेट में रिस्पेक्ट तो
हाँ।
मतलब अगर आपने एक्सपेक्ट करी रिस्पेक्ट,
हाँ।
यू आर इन फॉर अ लॉस, यू आर इन फॉर अ बिग लॉस।
एंड सिमिलरली ऑन द सेम लाइन जेन जी वाले टॉपिक हम बात कर रहे हैं, तो मैम डू यू थिंक लाइक जो ग्रेटिफिकेशन तो हमने इंस्टेंट एंटाइटलमेंट जो चाहिए, रिजल्ट चाहिए, वो तो चलो एक हो ही गया, कॉमन नॉर्म बन गया, और ऑफ कोर्स आसपास सब कुछ ही कर रहे हैं, तो ये बट
इट्स
नेचुरल
बिकम अ
है।
न्यू नॉर्म नाउ।
हाँ, तो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे इन टर्म्स ऑफ थेरेपी की मैं बात करता हूँ, तो आपको लगता है कि आजकल दिस यंग जनरेशन स्पेसिफिकली दे आर वेरी क्विक टू जंप इनटू थेरेपी आल्सो, खुद से डिस्कवर करने की कोशिश नहीं करते। ऑफ कोर्स वो टूल्स आ गए हैं, हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं, बट पेरेंट्स आर आल्सो वेरी क्विक टू
In a way it's good,
Hmm.
in a way it's not good. So why it's not good? Because for anything they'll jump to Google and they will try and get the answer there and start to apply it, right? It might end up into a severe disaster. But the good thing is that when parents are also aware and they're seeing a pattern in their child and they know that okay, they need therapy, they will go to a proper certified person and get the root cause removed. So again, it is good and it's not good. So like here in NLP we have a belief that there is nothing right, there is nothing wrong, everything is based on context, right? Something could be good for you, absolutely bad for me. Something could be right for you, absolutely wrong for me. So how do we identify that? But if we put at it in a context कि ठीक है एडी आपने बोला इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट के अंदर ये चीज़ ठीक है, तो आई अग्री टू दैट। बट यहाँ पर ना लोग क्या करते हैं कि अपने जजमेंट के हिसाब से ही चलते हैं। मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ ठीक है तो ये ठीक ही होना है। हु आर यू टू से दैट इट इज रॉन्ग? तो अगेन बंदा ना इमोशनल हो जाता है, फिर वो मैं पे आ जाता है, फिर वो उनकी ईगो हर्ट हो जाती है। सो इट्स सच अ विशियस साइकिल एंड हु इज प्लेइंग इट? द माइंडसेट। सो दैट्स व्हाई अवेयरनेस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो कि मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ।
नहीं, मैं ना आपको एक चीज़ और मैं पूछना चाहूँगा कि जैसे क्या होता है कि एक तो ना वी फॉरगॉटन आवर ट्रू सेल्व्स, वी आर ऑलवेज वेयरिंग अ फेस फॉर एवरी पर्सन, एवरी ओकेजन, एवरीथिंग। आई थिंक मतलब ट्रू सेल्फ तो भूल ही गए हम लोग, राइट? बट एट द सेम टाइम मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपने कभी, मतलब मैंने पर्सनली नोटिस करा है, समटाइम्स यू कैन से वेरी डीप थिंग्स अबाउट योरसेल्फ टू कंप्लीट स्ट्रेंजर, कि वहाँ पे आपको जजमेंट का डर नहीं होता, है ना? और सिमिलरली कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि कोई स्ट्रेंजर के सामने आप एक prim and proper दिखाना चाहते हो कि oh my life is like you play the same role you play on Instagram on in real life also with strangers, right? तो ये why does your mind play these tricks on you, or why do we do it, and this happens subconsciously?
Absolutely. So in fact last Saturday I was doing a training with one of very big real estate company, and there the topic was why people are working in silos. And one of the reason that I told them was this, what you said just now, this fear of judgment, right? Now again, you'll say ki everything you're taking to the childhood, When you were born, you were not born with judgments. Somewhere when you were growing up, you heard people judging you, or you started judging people, right? And that is the time when your mind caught up onto that I have to judge, or they are judging. So if even somebody is, standing and looking at me, I would be assuming again,
What they might be thinking
oh,
about
that
me.
they're judging. Am I looking okay or no? Oh, why is he looking at me like this? So this again, internal dialogues, right? Remember the four things.
Yeah.
So the story that is going on inside, this story, unless and until it is changed, you know, the person will continuously have this fear of judgment. And it's not age specific. एक 8 साल का बच्चा भी इस fear of judgment का शिकार है, एक 70 साल का इंसान भी fear of judgment का शिकार है. लेकिन वो लोग इसके शिकार नहीं है जिनको समझ में आ गया है कि if they are thinking about me negatively, then how is my life impacted? Even if they are thinking about me positively, how is my life impacted? No way. So, in coaching, we always emphasize on questions, and your life is a sum total of the questions or the quality of questions that you are asking yourself. So, if you ask yourself a question like, why does it always happen with me? Why do I always fail? Why don't people like me? What is the quality of these questions? Terrible.
Terrible.
Victim kind of questions. Then your mind only will give you the victim kind of answers. So the simple technique is that you change the quality of your questions. You just ask yourself that, oh wow, he's looking at me. I think am I looking very smart today that he's looking at me? Instant आपका state shift होगा.
स्टेट शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, मूड चेंज हो जाएगा, of
सब
course,
कुछ.
सब कुछ, हाँ, पूरा एकदम.
तो वो बंदा जो देख रहा है, आपने उसका मीनिंग ही चेंज कर दिया ना. जब मीनिंग चेंज हो गया तो सब कुछ चेंज हो गया.
थेरेपी में कुछ ऐसे बोलते हैं, उसको एसओएस बोलते हैं ना, ऑब्जर्व एंड शिफ्ट. आई फॉरगॉट द फर्स्ट एस, ऐसा कुछ होता था. दिस इज
Which therapy are you talking about?
in generally, but one of the therapy sessions I was in, right, and so I was told about this, this concept.
Okay.
When your mind starts deviating, you sense it, you observe it, and shift it. Kind
Oh.
of. Yeah.
Sense, observe, shift.
Maybe I'm not sure the first S, but
Okay.
ऐसे कुछ था. But it
Okay.
did help. I'm like, of course. I'm like, you just need to take yourself out.
Right, right.
जैसे mind divert होना शुरू होता है, बाहर आ जाओ जल्दी से. And
So I always say this to my clients that your mind is like the small child, the small version of you. जब आप छोटे थे और होमवर्क नहीं करते थे तो आपकी मम्मी बिठाती थी, चलो होमवर्क करो, राइट? और फिर जैसे ही मम्मी इधर उधर गई तो आप फिर भाग जाते थे,
हाँ, correct.
राइट? सो द माइंड इज ऑल्सो लाइक दैट. आपने उसको बोला कि चलो यहाँ आके अब ये सोचो, जैसे ही आपकी अवेयरनेस हटी वो फिर भाग जाएगा किसी और डायरेक्शन में. सो यू हैव टू बिकम योर पेरेंट एवरी नाउ एंड देन. Parent to your mind, come do this. So you're giving a direction to your mind, focus on this, and the more you do, the more it learns how to focus.
totally agreed. I'm like, one more thing when you said about judgment, ना मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि instead of shutting down the outside voices, they shut down the voice within.
Yeah.
Correct?
या तो वो शट डाउन हो जाती है और या वो इतनी नेगेटिव होती है that you then want to shut it down because the internal dialogues are so criticizing. Look at the health of the self talk that people are having. And if a person is stuck in depression, a person is stuck in anxiety or stress, the major factor contributing to this is the kind of talk that is happening inside. Do you think an Elon Musk or a Mark Zuckerberg wouldn't have problems in their life?
100%.
There is no person who doesn't have, right? But what is it that they're feeding their mind? If they're feeding their minds like, oh, nothing good will happen, do you think they would have achieved this? No way. So it's always the kind of questions or the internal talks that we are having with ourselves that define us. If today I am absolutely confident, it's not because I have dressed up well and that is my confidence. Yes, it adds, but it is not the sole reason. The sole reason is my thoughts, my internal talk with myself. फिर बहुत सारे लोग अच्छे कपड़े पहन लेते हैं तो उनको लगता है अब मैं कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाऊंगा. सो वो तब तक कॉन्फिडेंट लगते हैं जब तक उनका मुंह नहीं खुला होता.
हाँ.
जैसे मुंह खुलता है वैसे सामने वाले को पता चल जाता है, ओप्स, it's a mask.
Yeah, correct. But on a funny note, I want to ask you something. Like when you're saying that people do this, right? Mindset होता है, ये होता है. And the kind of talks they are having with themselves. आपको लगता है डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प क्या करता होगा अपने से?
Was politics?
No, अच्छा, out of politics.
Out of politics. No politics, no religion, no sex. I have to be politically correct.
Oh my god, oh my god. See, now this is you have trained your mind now this way.
Yeah, otherwise somebody would listen to this and sue me for it. I don't want to get into unnecessary
No,
trouble.
हम स्टार्टिंग में डिस्क्लेमर डालते हैं कि जो भी ओपिनियन है वो हमारे गेस्ट के हैं.
So you put me in a soup.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I'm playing it safe.
Yeah. So, ma'am, we have spoken about so many things, right? But there's one, your company, I mean to say, Mindify, right? That is very close to your heart, right? And of course, आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म में हैं, आप एजुकेट करते हैं, ट्रेन करते हैं. तो उसका क्या कोर फाउंडेशन है, उसके बारे में कुछ if you can tell me.
So the foundation of this company is that you have got immense potential. Don't waste it. Just learn the tools how to utilize those capabilities that you already have. So I always give this example कि आपके पास ना एक अलादीन का चिराग है.
Okay.
ठीक है, और आप उस अलादीन के चिराग को जा चाय लिया, जा पानी लिया, इसमें यूज कर रहे हैं. Why? Because you don't know the powers. So in Mindify, we have got different programs. We do live sessions, both offline and online. In there, we are teaching about 25 different mind tools that help you to break your negative patterns and help you to achieve your goals. So we ask the participants that what is the outcome that you're looking for. So somebody says that I want to rise my corporate career, I'm stuck in my business, or I have relationship challenges. So we get to know the outcomes, and the beauty of our programs is that it is holistic, which means that it addresses all 5 core domains of your life, whether it is health, emotional, mental health, your relations, career, money, spirituality, everything. So if you really want to apply the life that Bhagavad Gita, says, this is the path how to achieve that goal. So we have different programs, as I said, online and offline both. Then we have individual coachings for senior executives. Then we have therapies for any trauma, any trauma that has stuck. So all of these we have.
I'm like, so आपके experience में, ma'am, you mentor, I mean, coach, sorry, CEOs, and you see people from different generation, and एक CEO से लेके common ordinary housewife, ordinary मतलब generally housewives are extraordinary, but yeah, but a common man, right, or a common person can be part of those courses. I'm like,
Yes, yes.
It's easily accessible for everyone.
So there are 2 criterias. One, you need to be ready to change, right? And the second is that you need to trust, at least for 1 month. These are the 2 criterias that you need to have. I choose my clients. I don't work with everybody. So if somebody comes and, okay, I'm giving the fees, and they are just checking, or, they're just challenging, I'm not interested. Because I might as well put my time with those people, who want to change. So if somebody is wanting a change, that is the only requirement of people who I work with. Whether it is a lady, a housewife, a working woman, a businesswoman, a senior executive, anybody.
All right. And of course, I'm like, वो mindset change करने के लिए you need to have the willingness also, right?
Absolutely. Otherwise, it's just a waste of time and energy.
And how? Sorry, I don't want to ask this, but is it affordable for a common person?
Yeah. See, if a person can buy an iPhone, right? he can afford anything.
But not everybody can buy an iPhone, right? I'm
If
like,
you look around,
yeah, I think
majority of the
everybody
people.
has it nowadays. Yeah,
So
it is
instead of investing in material things,
invest in
invest in
yourself.
personal growths,
Correct.
because this is your asset which is going to get you multiple iPhones. If you
Yeah.
if you buy an iPhone out of 1 lakh rupees, you can't get multiple equipments from that. But if you invest that 1 lakh rupees in yourself, you can maybe create an iPhone company.
Yeah, true. I'm like, you can actually create wealth rather than running
Absolutely.
after wealth, right?
Absolutely.
Which is a good thing, man. And in general, when you say it's 3 months, right? So, how does it goes on? Like, it's a weekly module, or just want to understand, like,
So,
if people.
the online training that I conduct, it's a 30 days program. It's a weekend program because all corporate professionals are having their weekends off. So, I do it on Saturday, Sunday. Then Monday to Friday, I do a 30-minute session where it is a guided hypnotic meditation, wherein all the commands are given to their subconscious. So Saturday, Sunday, they are learning, they are practicing, and then throughout the week, I'm guiding them. So it becomes like a uh, सीखा or apply हो गया. And it happens, the evening sessions I do in the at around 8:30 o'clock, 8:30 or 9. And just before sleeping, they are sleeping with this new message that I'm giving them, right? Because आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड उस समय ज़्यादा एक्टिव होता है जब आप बस सोने लग रहे हो. So that's why you're not really thinking much. You're just, the messages are going in your mind, and it's processing when you are sleeping.
And of course, mind conditioning की बहुत need है, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Because what I see, like, for example, मैम, let's say commonly अगर कोई सुन रहा है, मैं ऐसे बोलता हूँ डॉक्टर, तो लोग जनरली उसको एक मेल डॉक्टर से रिलेट करते हैं, राइट? बिकॉज यू
True.
सीन दैट, राइट?
Yeah.
आप नर्स बोलोगे, देन यू
Females.
फीमेल से करते हैं,
Right.
बट इट्स वाइस वर्सा आल्सो.
True.
इट्स pretty much applicable, right?
Yep. Yeah.
So ये भी तो माइंड कंडीशनिंग है ना, हमें देख देख के हमें आदत पड़ गई है, हमें बस देखते ही आ रही है.
ये जनरलाइज्ड है.
हाँ.
तो हम एनएलपी में इसको जनरलाइजेशन बोलते हैं कि ये स्टैंडर्ड सेट हो गया है कि अगर डॉक्टर है तो वो मेल्स होंगे, नर्सेज हैं तो फीमेल्स होंगी, लड़के हैं तो वो रो नहीं सकते,
हाँ.
लड़कियां हैं तो उनको घर का काम करना चाहिए, उनको खाना बनाना आना चाहिए. तो ये एज ओल्ड ना थॉट प्रोसेस सेट होके रह गए हैं.
सो इसी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कनेक्ट करता हूँ मैं आपकी वो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू थेरेपी, राइट? सो व्हेन डू यू थिंक अ पर्सन नीड्स अ थेरेपी?
That's a very good question, actually. See, when you are trying to do things on your own, and you see that there is something which is, again, not in your control. So like we talked earlier that हल्का सा ट्रिगर होता है और आपको गुस्सा आ जाता है,
जी.
right? Even though you know that I should not get angry, but it's not in your control. That is the time when you need therapy, because there is somewhere an emotional trigger which is sitting in your subconscious. And unless and until that trigger is not removed, you may keep growing old, but alongside that trauma or that trigger is also traveling with you. The moment you get this therapy done, that trigger breaks that particular day only. And from there, your new behavior starts to happen. So there are different tools wherein you can just learn, and it's about 15 to 20 minutes. You can just train your mind to get over that old version of you which was like very angry, and what do you want to be instead? A calm, composed. So again, everything works in the mind in forms of images, sounds, and feelings. We change the image, and the result is that people change.
मैम वो जो शायद बचपन से हमें सिखाते हैं ना कि what you can visualize you can actually realize.
Exactly.
Yeah, kind of.
Exactly. So people are visualizing unconsciously only negative. They are prone, they are programmed for negatives. तो हम यहाँ पर programming करते हैं for positive. So a neuro-linguistic programming is already done, but unresourcefully, मतलब negatively. So I train them to with neuro linguistic programming for programming positively.
Perfect. I mean, it's like hot wiring a car.
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
Okay. But also, I want to understand, like, if somebody wants to become uh, an NLP practitioner or get a certification, something of that sort, is that
Yes.
possible with your
Yes, yes.
company too? Okay.
So I am one of the 7 female trainers from India who's licensed by the American Board of NLP. And when participants come to me to do the NLP practitioner program, my certificate carries the logo of American Board. So that certificate is globally valid. Number one. Number two, if somebody wants to become a practitioner, I groom them. So there are currently about 10 coaches who have already groomed, and they are working with me, and they're working independently also, having their own practice. So if anybody wants to have like a second career or a second income source, of course, I always think that there is no one Achla who can, fit for everybody. There needs to be so many more hands. And today we are very short of good therapists. The problems are huge, and we don't have good therapists, we don't have good coaches. So I that's why I'm mentoring my students who, of course, are wanting to get on this path.
And do you encourage, as an advice, like if you want to give an advice to our audience, one thing they want to do, or they should take it back, right? I mean, something that, let's say, therapy अभी भी मतलब कुछ एक certain segments of society के अंदर it's not
Taboo.
taboo, it's a stigma, right, kind of a thing, right? And now people are more aware, and there's certain set of people, मतलब सॉरी टू से, मतलब जैसे आपने बोला ना, जो जनरलाइजेशन की हम बात कर रहे थे
हाँ हाँ.
कि लड़के रोने सकते हैं, वैसे बोलते हैं कि ये वीक होगा,
Right.
योर माइंड इज नॉट स्ट्रांग इनफ दैट यू हैव टू सीक अ थेरेपी.
एब्सोल्युटली. आई मतलब मेरे पास बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग आते हैं जो छुप के आते हैं अपने घर से. उनके घर वालों को पता नहीं है, उनके वाइफ्स को नहीं पता, कईयों के पेरेंट्स को नहीं पता, क्योंकि उनको ये लगता है कि अगर मैंने बता दिया तो वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहे होंगे.
करेक्ट.
तो वो ठीक हो गए जब जाते हैं, फिर बाद में बताते हैं कि आई वेंट फॉर अ थेरेपी.
But I personally feel, so I've taken multiple sessions, okay, and मेरे को तो personally लगता है कि you have somebody who is not judging you there.
एग्जैक्टली.
At least you can, unload all the crap you have in life, and maybe
Absolutely.
and sometimes आप जैसे आपने मुझे पहले बोला था ना, आप किसी फ्रेंड को बताओगे, फैमिली को बताओगे, तो वो अपनी जजमेंट्स के साथ आता है. But with therapy, the only cushion you have is, first
They're
of all,
not judging you.
हाँ, sorry to say, मतलब I don't want to demean the profession. First of all, you're paying for it.
True.
तो आपको मेरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी. आपके पास ऑप्शन नहीं है, आपने बस स्टिपुलेट टाइम, and of course whatever people have spoken to, they've been absolutely good, right? And but yeah, I think you can unload yourself. There's so much of cluster in your head, it helps you give some sort of clarity.
True, true. So I would like to just tell a few things to people, who are watching this podcast. The first thing is that feed your mind with good thoughts. So when you're feeding your body with good food, don't put garbage in your head, right? When I say garbage, it means जो आप ये टीवी में देख रहे हो, जो आप न्यूज़ में सुन रहे हो, that's all garbage, right? ये हो गया, वो हो गया, that is impacting your mind. So feed your mind with good nourished thoughts. Second, always start to talk to yourself with encouragement, right? Third is, whenever you are stuck in any problem, instead of asking why questions, why did this happen, start asking how questions. How can I come out of it? What do I need to do to come out of it? Right? And become aware. Become aware of your own self. What is giving me happiness? What is causing me sadness? Become aware of that. When you do this, there's a good chance that you will not fall in the trap of your own mind. So, this is your best friend also, and this is your worst enemy also.
Correct.
Most of the time, it is playing as an enemy, and that is why you are in a problem.
हाँ, मतलब आपका सबसे बड़ा एडमायरर भी यही है, आपका क्रिटिसाइजर
सब कुछ यही है.
हाँ. And 99% ये होता है, मेरे को लगता है कि of all your problems, 99% of the problems are actually self-made.
Self-made, yes,
And
absolutely.
1% is which is out of your control, उसके बारे में क्यों टेंशन लेनी है?
Absolutely.
The force of nature at play, right?
Exactly.
But I totally agree. I'm like, I second your thought, and And yes, so ma'am, what I want to do is like now I want to do now a quick rapid fire with you. ठीक है?
Okay.
A small couple of questions I want to ask to you, and it's up to you. आप उसको अगर डिटेल में कुछ एक्सप्लेनेशन देना चाहते हैं तो वेल एंड गुड. अगर आपको वन वर्ड में आंसर देना है तो मैं वो भी एक्सेप्ट कर लूंगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. सो कपल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. लेट्स से अगर कोई एक इंसान जो अभी जिंदा हो या हिस्टोरिकली कोई हो जिसको आप ट्रेन या कोच करना चाहते हो.
I love to do it to Shah Rukh Khan.
You would like to, oh, nice. Shah Rukh Khan is himself is a very good, very philosophical, right? I'm like he speaks very really good.
Yes.
He's very well read. One thing you want every listener to remember from today's conversation.
Mindset है तो life set है.
Mindset, life set. Nice. One daily habit that change your energy completely.
I always go within.
Oh, okay. So you self question and train your mind. Okay. One Gita verse, since you are very proficient in it and you've read it, which gives you instant courage. मतलब
Again, the same one. Karmanevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana.
can you please also tell me what does it means in English? I'm like sorry, I'm not.
You have the right to take
Oh,
action.
acha, okay. The one
Yes.
and not right power to not your
You have the right to action, but not the fruits.
not the fruits of your actions, right? Okay, yeah, makes sense. And if you would not have been a mindset coach, so what would you have been today? Don't say please corporate employee. वो आप बड़ी मुश्किल से.
I don't know. I never thought about it. And I can't think of. And I don't want to think of. Because I
Now-
love what I do.
Now I'm playing mind tricks, Jedi tricks with you.
Yes, yes.
All right, and just want to ask you, like you know, आप इतने सारे लोगों को ट्रेन करते हो, मेंटर करते हो. Rapid fire is done. अब मेरी खुद का personal question.
Mhm.
So, how do you find that composure? How do you keep happy vibes all the time? Of course, asking with तो आपने मुझे बता ही दिया.
Mhm.
But how do you sustain it for a long term? Of course, you also have downward spiral sometimes. कब ट्रेन करते समय लोग आते हैं, कुछ लोगों की बात आपको भी इम्पैक्ट करती होगी.
No, that's in fact a very good question and very important one. मैंने 7 बजे थेरेपी खत्म करी. 8 बजे I'm having a party at home and I'm dancing and I'm enjoying, right? But lot of therapists cannot do that.
Or they don't know how to unplug.
No,
Kind of,
it's not even about that. I'll tell you the secret recipe behind it. So I have not known the content of the problem, right? So my mind doesn't have any of their story. जब मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि क्या हुआ तो मैं परेशान किससे होंगी.
Correct.
9.9 out of 10 times, I don't even need to know. So I'm just working on the outcome. So this is different from the traditional psychology. In traditional psychology, the psychologist will go deeper into the problem, right? So I have so many psychologist friends who go for their own therapy.
Of course.
To answer your question, till date, I haven't gone for a therapy myself because I am not going. The approach of our therapies are that we are not going deeper into the problem. We are going it the other way around. That okay, what do you want? For that, what do we need to do? So the whole
Balance is different.
the whole dynamics is different. तो मुझे इसलिए कुछ चैलेंज होता ही नहीं है because I don't have any any story of this. Number one. Number two, before getting into full-time training, I have myself been trained for over 4,000 man hours.
Wow, that's long.
So I have worked on my mind. I have worked on a state which is called a peak performance mindset, and I am the champion in that. So my mentor calls me his prodigy.
Wow.
That the levels that you have surpassed, nobody else has been able to do that. So first I worked on myself a lot because I knew that the cases are like really different. And till date, I have not come across one case which is identical to the other. and there is no book in which it is given, right? So you have to work from your own mind. Like there are different people having different metaphors, and no two metaphors are the same.
Correct.
So how do you decode that metaphor? That is, the beauty of the learnings that I have had. So those 4,000 hours of mentoring that I underwent, that is a tapasya. Now I'm reaping the fruits of that.
That's so honest, and thank you so much for sharing that.
Thank
This is
you.
one last segment of my show, which I wanted to, which I ask everyone is, as the name of the show is the Addicted Show, right? So I want to ask, what is the one thing which you are addicted to? It can be a ritual, a guilty pleasure, or a habit, something which you're addicted to every.
Uh, when you're asking me now, I'm remembering I'm addicted to my smile,
Oh
and
wow.
genuinely,
Hmm.
I always, we all have our, down moments. But when I look at myself in the mirror, that's the time I like, okay, come back, smile. And it takes me like 1 second to come back, in my own zone.
I'm like, honestly, I'm like that. Smile like yours can actually move mountains. It's a good thing. Keep smiling. That's a
Thank you.
very good thing. So thank you so much today for
Thank you,
being on the
Eddie.
show. It
Thank
was
you
so much
for
fun
having
with you.
me. Thank you.
So as the Gita reminds us, the mind is your best friend or your worst enemy. Choose which one it becomes. And through Acha work, we are learning how to make that choice with awareness and not with fear. Acha, thank you. You're not just transforming lives, you're rewriting the way we think, we speak, and also lead. For everyone listening, whether you are tired of workplace chaos, want emotional stability, or simply need to reconnect with your own inner voice, go to achabhadwaj.com or follow her work via nlptrainingworld.com. This is the Addicted Show. Stay curious, stay conscious, and lead from within. And of course, stay addicted.